नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया फैक्ट न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ अनुष्का। आइए नजर डालते हैं आज की खबरों की ओर।
मधु जी कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Thank
बहुत
you.
बहुत कितनी मेहनत लगी और कितनी मुशक्कत करना पड़ता है सारे इवेंट्स को सक्सेस करने के लिए।
I think such bolungi. It took me 11 months to conceptualize this idea, and I started with Reengineered podcast, जो कि एक बंदे को लेके जो career change किया है इधर यूए में आके, and now this documentary to the UAE, a nation where dreams are re-engineered. It is a very passion project and extension of my podcast. So here there were 7 incredible individuals from different nationalities and different sectors who have come and who have inspired, and we have showcased that if you have a purpose and a passion, nothing can beat you. And I'm so thankful to this land of UAE, a land of opportunities, who have given several opportunities and open doors for millions of expats who fly in and have started their life, and they have actually progressed in their career. Thank you so much to all the visionary leaders in UAE who make this impossible possible, and many dreams come true in this beautiful nation that we live in.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इतना सक्सेस रहा कि हाउसफुल बैठने के लिए सीटें खाली नहीं था। और फ्यूचर प्लान की अगर बात करें हम और फ्यूचर इवेंट्स की बात करें तो क्या है?
तो थैंक यू, ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, एंड आई थिंक मेरे कुछ गेस्ट आए बाहर खड़े होने रहे. दिस वाज वेरी बैड फॉर मी, बट थैंक्स फॉर शोइंग द सपोर्ट, एंड आई एम कमिंग अप विद सीजन 3 with again capturing authentic re-engineered
इंशाल्लाह।
stories. And please come and approach our engineered club team and see how we are there for you to capture your authentic stories. Thank you for showing your support, and thank you for making tonight one of the most magical night of my life.
Hello everyone, my name is Slava Popov. I am from Russia. I live in Dubai since 2 years, and I do sports since I'm 5 years old, and acrobatic mobility training, which is about balance, strength, flexibility, coordination, focus. And I met Madhu by the Fashion for All show. I was a model there. This competition, luckily, I won, and she was in the jury there, and that's how we got connected with this wonderful person, Miss Madhu. And recently she approached me for the podcast and asked me to share my story because she already knew it, and I was really happy to hear that, and I replied right away, and was excited to be in her podcast. And how it ended up today, it's dreams coming true.
Thank you.
So no, never say no to your opportunities. Go and do your best.
Uh, First of all, thank you so much, Madhu, for giving me this opportunity. Congratulations, this amazing event. It's very successful. It's very useful for each who join this event, and all of here happy. All of here feel your energy and proud of you.
So first of all, I want to say congratulations to Madhu. Thank you so much for inviting me. And she is not just a friend, she is my family. Whatever she did, this is something like speechless. She's very young. Even past 11 months before she decided to do this, and imagine usne wo kar dikhaya, and we all can see it's house full. People are waiting outside. So I'm so happy and glad उसने ये डिसीजन लिया, एंड जो उसने दिखाया है दैट्स सो इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी. इसके साथ साथ व्हाट आई फेल्ट, एंड आई एम श्योर आप सबने भी देखा होगा कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेशनलिटीज उस स्क्रीनिंग के अंदर हैं, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली इनक्रेडिबल. सो आई वुड वंस अगेन कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू मधु.
It's a motivational podcast done by Madhu. It's really inspiring. All the people who want to out there for and have a dream, they can achieve it with the United Arab Emirates. And we are in Marassi proud of all the cast who participated and spoke about their stories and how they outperformed themselves, and they discovered that the power that they have developing their future in the UAE.
people living in UAE, they are feeling very, very confident.
Yes,
So
yes,
that's why I
thank you.
want to say about all this something.
I
Any
think
message?
UAE is accommodating for all the nationalities, and we all working to develop our country and develop our economy and develop our lifestyle here in the United Arab Emirates. And having more than 200 nationalities, it's a proven example for the whole world that UAE is a unique model of development and a civilized nation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
My name is Gift Free Solomon, a real estate broker here in Dubai. I'm one of the cast for today's event. It was amazing, amazing. Got me really emotional. Even though I've told my story 100 times since my story became a story here in the UAE, but today I found it very, 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 very inspiring. Even to myself, looking back to where I started and how beautifully my story was told means a lot. A shout out to Madu, the fact that she is someone that actually knows what she wants and she doesn't rest until it is achieved. It's a lot. So yes, I just want to say thank you. And today's event was amazing. And by the way, to the production team, they did an amazing job. Thank you guys.
Madhu, I'm so proud of you, and the Re-Engineered podcast show was amazing. I wish you all the very best, and I'm always there to support you. Thank you so much.
Privileged. I was fortunate enough to be, to take a part. She called me once upon a time in a like a blue moon. Oh, Minal, you have to come for the podcast, and it was amazed day for me. And the podcast went fantastically drastic. It was a change in other people have seen it. And thank you, Madhu. And this evening was also star stunning evening, you can say. Thank you once again and wish you all the best. The way is the stars are waiting for you to cherish all the shyness. Thank you.
Congratulating Madhu for this wonderful evening. It was about re-engineered people and their lives and their journeys, and I'm so, so glad to be a part of this. This is Dr. Moon Mukherjee. Along with me is Dr. Marika Krones. So, Dr. Marika, how do you feel about this?
Well, thank you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Madhu on this excellent achievement. And I was so glad to hear that actually it was in her vision board, because I'm a firm believer in vision boards. So let's put all our dreams there. And I'm also grateful for, yes, exactly. And I'm also grateful and thankful for the people who gave their voice to this document and who did have the courage to re-engineer their journeys here in UAE. So congratulations, thank you, and
thanks to the media, thanks Salim, thanks Bowl India, thanks Bharti TV for covering this event. Thank you. Thanks to the media.
First of all, congratulations, Madhu, for your achievement. I still remember a few years back, we were discussing about this podcast and all these things about your dreams, and we were just giggling at this, whether it's going to happen or not. But today, you have really achieved it, and you have made it up. What and all you have dreamt, and what and all you shared about your vision and dream. Today, you have achieved it. Congratulations once again. Uh, I hope you keep doing more and more on this and wish you a great success.
फिलहाल अभी के लिए इतना ही। आपको आज की यह खबर कैसी लगी कमेंट में जरूर बताएं, और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर विज्ञापन देना चाहते हैं तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल आईडी या कांटेक्ट नंबर पर संपर्क कर सकते हैं। और इंडिया फैक्ट न्यूज से जुड़ने के लिए हमारे पेज को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। अगली खबर तक के लिए फिलहाल मुझे दीजिए इजाजत। धन्यवाद।